What is up, guys? In this video, I am going to share to you how to create designs for your results-based performance management system, or also known as RPMS portfolio. If you're interested to know what editing software to use, how to create personalized designs, and how to save these designs in your computer or desktop, just keep on watching. So what I'm sharing with you now is the designs that I created for my RPMS portfolio. So kung ikaw ay isang DepEd teacher or a DepEd teacher wannabe or soon to be DepEd teacher, you have clicked the right video. So ito yung aking ginawa para sa aking RPMS portfolio. So as you can see, andito na yung cover page. And then we also have table of contents, but of course this is optional. Nakalagay na rin yung CRA1 cover page. So objective 1, objective 2 and 3 under the CRA1. So lahat ay lagay ko na po. So don't you worry because I will guide you and I will teach you the process kung paano ito gagawin. And I have a good news for you guys, so stay at the end of this video. Ito po yung itsura niya. Ito yung ginawa ko na cover page. I am going to share to you kung ano yung editing software na aking ginamit para ma-edit po itong designs. Ating editing software ay Canva. Sa Canva, dito ako nakapag-edit. Napakagandang tool ito. Marami tayong pwedeng gawin kay Canva. Marami tayong pwedeng ma-explore. Okay, we can create a design even hindi natin alam kung paano yung mga complexities ng mga templates na ang gagawin na lang natin ay i-edit siya. Yung kanyang content, yung kanyang mga designs, elements. Ayan, pwede tayong gumawa ng invitation, poster, brochure, announcement, marketing, documents, scripts, and a whole lot more. We just have to explore this Canva software. So, proceed na po tayo dito sa ating RPMS design. Ang account ko ay Canva for Education account. The good thing about Canva for Education account is the pro version of this software is free for educators or teachers like us. So, ang kailangan lang natin is yung educational domain. In the case of DepEd teachers, we have to use our DepEd email for us to be able to sign up for this account. If you want to learn how to sign up for Canva for education, comment down below para magawa natin ng another video tutorial. I also have another design. So, pag gusto niyo medyo minimalist yung dating, you can also utilize this design that I have created. And another good news is I am also going to share to you yung blank design na ito. So, ang kailangan na lang gawin is konting edit na lang, lagyan ng mga elements na gusto niyo or mga designs na gusto niyo, and konting edit na lang sa mga text. As you can see, wala siyang mga borders, walang design. So, I am also going to share this blank RPMS portfolio design sa description box below. Let's do it one by one. So, unang-una, since meron naman siyang content, konting edit na lang. Pwedeng i-edit yung mga font size, font style, color. Depende na po sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin. Pero sa ngayon, sisimulan muna natin sa background or sa kanyang border na designs. Dito tayo sa home. By the way, yung mga shareable link na ibibigay ko sa inyo, editable siya. Kaso lang, you have to be online. Si Canva po, para po makapag-edit tayo dito sa editor na ito, kailangan natin ng internet connection. The same way goes to the editable file that I'm going to share with you. Yung nabanggit ko po kanina, yun siya, kailangan din yun ng internet para mag-edit. So, let's hover our pointer dito sa templates. Okay. Let's click templates dito sa side, sa left side. So, lalabas yung iba't ibang templates na pwede natin pagpilian. But, I suggest, wag po natin siya i-click. For example, gusto natin to. Wag natin siya i-click kasi ito yung options na lalabas. Add template as new page or replace current page. So, ayaw natin mawala yung content na nailagay na. Ang gusto lang natin ay lagyan siya ng panibagong designs. Dito sa homepage ni Canva, for us to be able to look for readily available templates, we'll have to click this documents under the templates or sa home niya. And then resume. So, ayan, may napili na ako. For example, this is the design that we want. Yung kukunin lang po natin is itong mga designs dito sa corner. Ayan, so, we'll have to just copy this and then paste it doon sa ating blank portfolio. Para makopy siya, lahat-lahat, kasi individual kasi ito, individual siya. Para mas madali siyang i-copy, just have to drag and select. Yan, pag ganyan na yung itsura niya, maraming boxes, tapos isang malaking parang broken lines na box, pwede na yan siya i-copy all together. So, right click and then copy, or I prefer yung Control C. And then, just have to paste it here sa ating blank design. Yan. O, diba? And then, pag ayaw nyo yung ganyan siya, change to dark green or yellow green, light green, ganyan. Depende na sa atin. And then, ito, isang color, for example, lighter green. Ayan, para at least, ito, teacher 1 siguro to, or teacher 2. Tapos, gagawin natin dito sa isa, control copy lang, control C. And then, control V for paste. Tapos, nilalagay natin siya dito sa baba. Skip kasi siya ganyan. By the way, si Canva pala, automatic siya nagsisave ng mga files. You just have to play around with it until you reach the desired design. If you're already satisfied with what you have done,
Many, many minutes later.
wow, this one is so cute.
So if you're already satisfied of what you have done, pwede na natin siyang i-group together para mas mabilis siyang i-copy and i-paste sa remaining pages. Kasi yun man yung mahirap na part. Ay hindi naman siya mahirap kasi magka-copy-paste lang. Mahirap siya in a way na matrabaho. Kasi kailangan natin isa-isahin yung kanyang yung pag-copy and yung pag-paste. Okay, so ganito yung gagawin natin para hindi siya masira and para kung paano siya yung kanyang placement dito ay ganun din sa remaining pages pag ika-copy-paste natin. So we have to do this, drag and select the bottom, hold the shift key sa ating keyboard, and then drag and select the sign on the top corner, and then click this group. Ayan, perfect. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na natin siyang i-copy and paste sa baba without worrying and without taking the time and effort to edit. Yan. O, diba? Ganyan lang. Ganyan na yung gagawin natin hanggang sa makarating tayo sa baba. And if you're a master teacher, mga highly proficient teachers, you may also edit it individually if you want, just like what I did kanina, like, diba, yung mga highly proficient blue. So, pwede natin gawing ganitong blue and then, or ito, and then, kabila darker color, o ganyan. Pwede din ganyan for our highly proficient teachers. O, diba? So cute. If you want to change again, ibang border, okay, let's try another one. Okay, so delete lang. Another example is ito. Itong design na ito. Let's copy this. Yan. And then this one. Make sure na marami na tayong mga rectangles na nakikita for each element. Ayan. And then Control C. And just paste it here. Na i-group muna natin silang lahat para mas mapadali yung ating pag-copy paste. Okay, so another example. Let's go here sa creative resume. See all. Pag medyo creative tayo and we want na colorful yung ating designs. For example, this one. Parang sa Microsoft Word lang. Pwede tayong mag-upload ng ating sariling seal by going here sa uploads, and then upload an image or video. Maganda kay Canva is we can edit the font style. Kasi pag gamit tayo ng Microsoft Word, kailangan pa nating i-download isa-isa. So, meron siyang mga font styles dito. You can search if calligraphy. Ayan, browser. For engagement. Great vibes. Depende lang po sa iyo. Choose ko, ano yan. So, we have a whole lot of options. And then, adjust it, just drag. By the way, pag-play ko, ang program natin. Para ma-edit mo siya isa-isa. And then, if you want to change this, and then, just click the elements, click the element, and move the lines. You can change the design. For example, you want this. Okay, so you just have to play around with it talaga. Marami po tayong pwedeng explore dito kay Canva. Kahit ako personally, although may experience na, pero there's a whole lot more to offer talaga sa Canva. So if you want blue or red, ayan. So ngayon, alam na natin kung paano maglagay ng mga designs, borders, paano i-replace or i-change yung mga line designs, yung font size, font styles, font color. Ngayon, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-add ng mga elements like mga clip arts, mga stickers, ganyan. May space pa, di ba? So, pag ayaw nyo ng ganyan, gusto natin, halimbawa, lagyan ng design dyan, like sticker, we just hover our mouse dito banda sa left side, and then click the elements. So, dito, marami kayong makikitang mga elements niya. So, merong featured, merong mga grid shapes, frames, stickers, charts, gradients, lines. So, for the stickers, you just have to search. For example, magsa-search lang tayo dito sa kanyang search bar ng picture. So, maraming options na lalabas. So, So, dito naman sa content niya, like yung mga means of verification, since iba-iba naman tayo ng mga means of verifications or MOVs, we can just edit this. Pwede lang natin to i-edit. Ayan, for example, classroom observation tool, or gusto mo lang ilagay COT, COT1, ganyan, COT1, or gusto mo lang ilagay dito sa baba, shorter term, like GLL, okay, mga IMs. So, depende. I-ungroup muna para makopy ito. Alright, so if you're satisfied of the edits that you have created or the designs that you have done, pag okay na, wala ng corrections, yung content and everything, you may now save your document. So this is how you're going to save the document. You click this one, itong may arrow down na parang click that and then click the download, and then you have the options here kung anong format mo siya isa-save. So, if you want na gawin siyang images, you can just click this PNG or JPG. But since this is a document na ipiprint natin sa bond paper, ilalagay sa portfolio, we have to choose the PDF print, which is the high quality for multi-page document. Kasi pag PDF print, of course, it will be saved as PDF and we can print it sa ating printer. Pwede naman yung PNG and JPG, kaso lang, I have tried this one, pero pag ipiprint ko siya sa bond paper, medyo pixelated siya. Kaya mas maganda yung itong PDF print yung ating gagamitin. Click that and then press download to download the file. Yan. So, andito na po yung ating downloaded RPMS PDF file. So, ang gagawin natin is i-open lang natin siya and then print. So, that's all. So, I hope you have learned something from our tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to type it in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Share this video to your friends and co-teachers as well. Thank you so much and see you on my next video.